Come, let us show you how to DIY this DIY shadow theater. So basically it's come with this template. What you need to do is fold all these sides, and then what we need is firstly 7 double-sided tape to tape at these 7 places. 1, 2, 3, the other side another 3, 4, 5, 6, and this part here 7. You are given this double-sided tape. You just tear one piece off, roughly measure the length here. Any excessive length, just cut away using a scissors. Right, then what we need to do is paste this double-sided tape here, and for the rest of the other 6 position. Okay, finally we have placed all the 6 double-sided tape at the correct position. Then what we need to do now is peel them off. Then after that, take them together. Right, take them together to make into a theater, something like that. Okay, this is the completed theater, right, with 7 double-sided tape to tape them together. Then what's next will be the translucent paper to cover one side using again the double-sided tape. Okay, done. So I've decided to tape it from inside. So double-sided tape inside, then the translucent paper will go right in. So this is my screen. Right, within the set they have different cutout of animals like wolf, horse, a little goat, dolphin. I think this is a giraffe or something like that. So you're supposed to peel them off. So I've peeled off the, I think this is the Little Red Riding Hood and the wolf. Then look for this yellow foam, take out 2 of them, right? So use another small pieces, 2 smaller pieces of double-sided tape, right? Oh, before that, push out the foam so that you have a hole here, right? Something like that. Then tape it with a double-sided tape. Same for the other one. I'm preparing for just 2 of this shadow cut. Right. After you have done that, peel off and the other last side of the double-sided tape. Then what you need to do is stick it to say the big bad wolf, and the other one, right, you can go to the girl. Like this, right? So if the foam is too big, what you can do is use a scissors to trim away so that it doesn't change the shape of this lady. You're given a stick this size, push it inside here. You're also given a torchlight, a mini torchlight. There's a cap in front. I'll suggest you take out the cap. Then let's see the effect. Let's push this lower. Okay, so this is the cap, right? Remove the cap. This cap is meant to use as a spotlight, so remove it so that the effect will be better. Right, so can you see? You can shift the position of the object from the light source to get to change the size. You can also shift the light source. You can also shift the light source to change the size of the shadow.